Hey guys, what's up? I went back to Bargain Grocery because the deals here are amazing and I want to show you my vegan grocery haul so you can see with your own eyes just how big of a deal I actually got because the products I buy here are normally way more expensive at other stores. So when I get a chance to get out here, which is like once a month because it is an hour away from me, I will stock up on vegan frozen meals that I'll just stock my freezer with. I'll buy fruit here, which I'll chop up and freeze, or I'll buy something that's really cheap that I might want to try out or just show in my YouTube videos. And when I do this, I'm normally set for the rest of the month, grocery shopping wise, sometimes even longer than that. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get right into it. All right. This Kite Hill ricotta, normally that's pretty expensive. It was only 50 cents. The Future meatballs, which I tried these at Expo East earlier this year, but these were only $3. Italian style meatballs. Earth Balance, normally pretty expensive. It was only $3, and so was the Miyoko's. Violife Parmesan, really good stuff, only $3. And this Biscoff small cookie crumbs. I actually used this in my apple crumble video that you may have seen, but that was only $3. I thought that was this Justin's vanilla almond butter. It wasn't that cheap. It was $4.99, but I mean, it's really good. And this Welch's sparkling rosé, I don't even know why I got this. It was just there. And it was about $2.49, $2.50. So it wasn't that much of a deal. I kind of regret getting it. Watermelon, the Oatly, the vanilla Oatly. Now Oatly is normally $5, $6, $7. This was only 99 cents. And this pasta sauce, it was only 99 cents. I had never tried it, but I have since tried it. It's really good, and it's only 99 cents. So I did the only thing I could do. I grabbed 2, 3, 4, 5 jars. And I always bring a cooler with me because I don't want things to get all melted. So we got the tempeh smoky maple bacon tempeh by Tofurky, which I never see this anywhere. Got some more ice cream, which desperately needs to get in the freezer. We got the chocolate. And I actually grabbed 2 of the vanilla. Sometimes I try to grab some for my mom if I'm driving back by there on the way back. Veggie lo mein. Now these Sweet Earth meals, Curry Tiger, they're only $2 here. And at most places, they're $5 or $6. And the cauliflower mac is my favorite. The Amy's burritos, and the Tattooed Chef burritos. All of their burritos there are 99 cents. So I grabbed a bunch of these. You got to kind of pick through the bins to find the vegan ones, but it's worth it when they're only 99 cents. Oatly, this is my favorite Oatly. Now this is the one that does not have any kind of oil or anything in it, and it was only $2.50 or something. That Magic Bar by Dr. Bronner, I wasn't sure how that was going to be. That was delicious, 99 cents. And of course, I got some of this tofu. It was only $1.79. It's cubed, but I don't really care what size or shape it is. It's tofu. The Curry Tiger, got a bunch of these. Again, these were only $2. That's $2 for a meal. I'm sure you can make a meal for cheaper, but hey, that's cheaper than going out to dinner. Cheaper than going out to a restaurant. And I loaded up on a bunch of these. And I will store these in the freezer down here. I tried the pad thai, did not like it because of the mushrooms. And I don't think I really like the lo mein after all, which I'm glad I only grabbed a couple of those. The Pizza Aghi Sicilian. These are only $4, so I figure $4 for a pizza that normally was going to be $8 or $9. Some places $10 or $11. The plant-based pepperoni by Tattooed Chef. All of their frozen pizzas there are only $4, so I grabbed a bunch of them. This gluten-free crust, cauliflower crust, it is delicious. That is one of my favorite pizzas. And then you got the Amy's Vegan Supreme. I don't see these many places. Again, this pizza can go up to $12. It was only $4. So I grabbed a couple of those. And this is going to hold me over on meals for the next month. And of course, I'm not going to eat only these. I'm going to eat healthier foods. But I have these in the freezer for, a bind or something that I'm going to need at the last minute. And this is what the freezer looks like right now. We got a bunch of pizzas. We got some frozen veggies. Put the meatballs up here on the top shelf with all the frozen meals. And burritos. We got the ice cream over here. And you might glimpse those Tofutti Cuties. And I also grabbed a whole entire box of bananas. These are, they weren't even ripe yet. So these were brand new bananas pretty much. $8 for the entire thing. And I got four or five huge freezer bags full of those, which I will use to make smoothies. Now, I have to open these boxes. I also grabbed these $3 per box. But I couldn't open them down there. I needed a sharp object like a knife, which I have here. And these are little breakfast cups of oatmeal. And we have apple. 6 come in a pack. They were 50 cents each. So instead of grabbing a bunch of little ones, I just grabbed a box. I grabbed 2 boxes. And there's no refined sugar. They're vegan. Apple cinnamon. Nut free. And the second box here was a different flavor. The only 2 flavors they had there were apple and strawberry. So I got a bunch of breakfast meals for 50 cents a piece. Strawberry vanilla. Yumble. And that's pretty much it. That's my grocery haul. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Remember, I got some brand new hoodies and other merch that I make myself. You can go to theveganzombie.com and pick up any of that merch. And stay safe. Watch out for zombies. And I'll see you guys in the next video.